Drinking with Dragons. My name is Rourke, and this is Doctor Who Week. We're doing Doctor Who cocktails all week long. Today we are making the Sonic Screwdriver 10th Doctor. Yesterday you saw the 11th Doctor. This recipe is going to have 1 ounce of, again it's going to have 1 ounce of vodka, American Revolution. It's also going to have 1 ounce of Creme De Banana, which is an addition to it because it's before it was just, yeah. Because, you know, as the doctor always says, bananas are good. You should always bring a banana to a party. Then it's also going to have 2 ounces of blueberry juice, as well as 2 ounces of orange juice, going with the same Florida, going with the same Florida squeezed orange juice. Alright, we're going to shake this one, because it has all the juices in it. Alright, ready? We'll start with the Creme De Banana this time, and we'll work our way to the vodka. This will be the next bottle, but still. So, 1 ounce Creme De Banana, or banana liqueur, whatever you have. 99 bananas might work, but it'll probably be a little bit strong. Alright, now we'll do 1 ounce of vodka. Almost out of it, and I'm having trouble finding it around my area. So if you guys are watching from American Revolution, if you guys are watching, I could use your help finding another bottle. Alrighty, next we'll add, what's that, blueberry juice? 2 ounces of blueberry juice from Ocean Spray, which also makes the cranberry juice. And next we'll do our 2 ounces of orange juice. Do I really want to though? I don't know if I really want to though. That looks pretty nice. Fuck. Whatever. Alright, we'll do an ounce. Fuck it. Okay, we got the 2 ounces in there. Next we'll give it some ice. Put some ice in here. Okay. Alrighty. Here we have the 10th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. Alright, let's give that a try. Not bad. Has kind of like a wine taste to it for some reason. Like a blueberry wine. With nice hints of banana. The Creme De Banana. A little bit of a citrusy note too. Even though there's 2 ounces of orange juice. This one's actually pretty refreshing. Yeah, this one's actually really nice. But yeah, it's really nice. Alright. The 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. Thank you for watching. My name is Rourke for Drinking with Dragons. We are exploring the world of alcohol. See you next time and drink responsibly.